Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to transfer stocks out of Robinhood. If you want to move your investments to another brokerage, you can transfer eligible stocks and ETFs through the Automated Customer Account Transfer Service, also known as ACATS. You can transfer your entire portfolio or only selected investments without selling your eligible securities first. Before you begin, make sure your receiving brokerage supports ACATS transfers. Also remember that Robinhood currently charges an $100 ACATS transfer fee for both full and partial outbound transfers. Now let's get started. First, open an account with the brokerage where you want to transfer your investments if you haven't already. Start the transfer request from your new brokerage, not from the Robinhood app. Choose transfer an existing brokerage account or a similar option. Select Robinhood Financial as your current brokerage. Then, enter your Robinhood account information exactly as requested. Choose whether you want to complete a full transfer or a partial transfer. A full transfer moves all eligible securities and places your Robinhood brokerage account on hold after the transfer is completed. A partial transfer allows you to move only the specific eligible stocks or ETFs you select while keeping the rest of your investments in Robinhood. Review the transfer details carefully before submitting the request. Once submitted, your new brokerage will send the ACATS request to Robinhood. You can monitor the transfer status from your new brokerage throughout the process. Keep in mind that only whole, settled shares are eligible for ACATS transfers. Fractional shares cannot be transferred. If you request a full transfer, Robinhood will automatically sell your fractional shares and send the cash proceeds to your new brokerage in a residual transfer. At this time, cryptocurrency held in Robinhood Wallet or Robinhood Crypto generally cannot be transferred through ACATS. Avoid buying, selling, or transferring securities while your ACATS request is being processed, as this may delay the transfer. After the transfer is complete, verify that all eligible stocks and cash balances have arrived in your new brokerage account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.